Hi guys, and welcome to Fame Ebong TV, and today I want to teach you guys how to produce a face cream, a very wonderful and a very powerful face cream that you can be using on your face. This cream is for those that have issues with their face. Maybe they have stuff like acne, sunburn, and other skin blemishes that happens on their face. This will help you have a very beautiful and glowing face. So you watch this video and learn how to produce your own facial cream at home. You can even start up this stuff like a business and start selling your own face cream to your wonderful customers out there. I'm going to melt all this together on fire. All this wax and oils, I'm going to melt them on fire. Even this water will be heated up on fire. So my oils and wax is going to be very hot and my water will be very hot. So both of them will be hot. After they have been heated up, I'm going to mix them together. So just watch and see how I'm going to do this. This is my oil over here. I have melted it and it is very hot. Over here is the water that I heated on fire also. My water is hot and my oil is hot. So I'll mix them together. So our production process has begun. I'm going to use my stick blender to mix it. If you don't have a stick blender, you can use a mixing spoon, but stick blender usually makes the work faster. It makes the work faster. But if you don't have a stick blender, you use your spoon to mix it. Now when you are making creams like this and you're using an emulsifying wax and oils with water, you have to mix it. Okay, first of all, you have to heat up the oil. You heat it up on fire, heat up your water. When both of them are very hot, you mix them together. Then you have to keep on mixing and mixing till the mixture turns to a cream. When the mixture turns to a cream, you've achieved your cream. It's as simple as that, but this mixing process usually takes most times an hour or an hour and 30 minutes to be completed. So if you're making this at home and you realize that it's taking a longer time for it to turn to a cream, just be patient. Don't think that you are doing something wrong. Just be patient. Keep on mixing. When you mix, you rest. Maybe if you mix for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you give yourself a break. You now rest. Then in the next 5 minutes, you come back and mix again. Then give yourself a break again and rest. Then you mix again. That is how cream is made. You don't mix for the whole 1 hour 30 minutes. When you mix for a certain minute, you give yourself a break and rest. Then when you know that it has stayed for like 5 minutes duration, you go back and mix again. That is how you do it, so that you will not get yourself exhausted and you will not burn out your stick blender. It's very simple. So if you want to learn more about skincare formulations, you want to learn how to make the washing soap, the bathing soap, the face cream, the body cream, the organic soap, the soap base, the shower gel, there's a lot you will learn, the detergent, the liquid soap. You can do well by joining my online class. You check the description of this video for the link to join the class. If you have issues joining through the link, you can do well by reaching me on those phone numbers I displayed there. Reach me on WhatsApp, chat me up on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. If you have issues joining through the link, chat me up on WhatsApp to be added to the training group. It's as simple as that. Don't actually stress yourself. It's very simple to join the class. So I will see you there at the training group on WhatsApp. So after like 1 hour, I'm going to be adding my facial ingredients. Over here is my ascorbic acid, which is also known as vitamin C powder. I'm using 10 grams for this formulation. Ascorbic acid is a very wonderful ingredient for a face cream. There's a lot of things you benefit from vitamin C powder. It's a very wonderful powder. Trust me, you're going to love this. And the next thing we'll be adding is our hyaluronic acid. I'm making use of 5 grams. Hyaluronic acid is a moisturizer. It helps your face to be moisturized. You don't have a dry face. This is a moisturizer. We will add it into our production also. The next thing we'll be adding is our bleaching secret liquid or serum. This will help your face glow. When you are using bleaching secret, you use it alongside with another liquid called password. You're making use of 15 ml of bleaching secret and 15 ml of password. You mix both of them together. Then we're going to be adding our vitamin E oil. All these stuff we are adding is actually very nice for the face. This will help you achieve a very nice and glowing face with no spots. So you can try this at home. You're going to love it. Now over here is our sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is actually a preservative, and I'm making use of 5 grams of sodium benzoate. We don't want our cream to have issues in the long run. We want it to last for a long time, just in case you will not use it immediately and you keep it for more than a month. It's best you add a preservative, and the mildest preservative to add here is the sodium benzoate. It's a very nice preservative. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to actually share this video. It's very important. Share it with your friends that will want to learn this kind of skill. You share it with them, and do it by dropping your comments. It will be nice to be interacting with you guys in the comment section. So drop your comments. And also don't forget to follow me. I am on TikTok, I am on YouTube, and I am on Facebook. You check TikTok, you'll find Fame Ebong TV. You check YouTube, you'll find Fame Ebong TV. Then you check Facebook, you will see Fame Ebong. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to drop your questions at the comment section. Goodbye and see you all next time.